So a lot of you have seen me make these before, which are Begleri. And they're a skill toy and essentially a set of balls you can play with wherever you go. I mean balls. I mean monkey's fists, sorry. And while they may seem like they're just a toy for those with ADHD or something like that, they're not. What if I told you there's actually much more to them than meets the eye? Because I'm going to tell you about 5 surprising benefits these can have for you. Here's how. Now before I get too into it, for the uninitiated, to give you a super quick history lesson, Begleri originated from Greece, and they're a super simplified version of the klomboloi, which were a much longer string of worry beads. Now these beads have no religious association or ceremonial purpose, they're just for playing with. You can get professionally made ones like these from around Square, or you can make your own with Paracord. And on this channel I've made many different versions, either with monkey's fists or just plain old hex nuts. But I've got a couple new iterations for you to check out as well, and be sure to stick to the end for the best benefit of playing Begleri. Now as I mentioned, these 2 beads on a string are deceptively simple to make, but they go far beyond just a toy you play with when you're bored. Now we all make things in this paracord hobby, which means a lot of that involves working with your hands and fine motor skills. Well, when you manipulate and play with Begleri, think of it as a workout for your hands. Which makes the very first reason hand health, which is a real thing. Now don't get me wrong, working with paracord is great for that as well, but there are movements you'll do when playing with Begleri that you won't quite do when you're working with paracord. Not only that, but like working on a paracord project is reason number 2. Begleri enhances focus and concentration. So let's face it, and I've harped on this before, but in this age of digital distraction, it's very easy to lose focus. I myself have some pretty bad days where I don't even know what I'm doing. But playing with something like Begleri can often help you unplug and refocus your attention, especially when you're trying to learn a new trick. And I don't know about you guys, but I could definitely use better focus. Another thing I want to mention with regards to focus is distraction, which of course would be the enemy of focus. When you're doing something that requires long bouts of focus, it's natural that you're going to want to take a break. But what we often do when we need that break is check our phones. But the problem with that is doing so can often lead you going down a 30-minute rabbit hole of TikToks and Instagram Reels. How about instead you pick up a Begleri? It's just fun enough to give your mind a break, but not so distracting that it'll burn out your dopamine receptors. And honestly, that would essentially ruin your workday. But you might say, well, Tim, isn't playing with Begleri itself a distraction? Well, think of it as a good distraction. And no, I will not stop talking about how messed up and out of whack our dopamine levels are these days, because it's a serious issue that I personally deal with every day, and I think a majority of us do in this day and age as well. So the very act of doing something physical but not cognitively engaging is that it can actually allow ideas to come to you, much like how creative ideas come to you when you're in the shower or when you're on the treadmill. So parallel to that is number 3, neuroplasticity. Manipulating a Begleri can take some complex movements. But this is a good thing because when you're learning a new trick and movement, you're forming a new neural pathway. It's that same feeling you get when you're doing something new for the first time and it's just not clicking and the brain isn't braining. And that's a good thing because if you push through that discomfort, you're boosting your neuroplasticity and literally changing your brain. You're making new connections, and this is a key to good cognitive health. For number 4, we've got stress and anxiety relief. There are certain rhythmic movements you can do with Begleri that are very repetitive over and over again, and these can actually be very calming and soothing. Now my go-to is to hold one of the ends in middle grip, then I do a wrap around my index, and then I reset back to the middle. Just over and over again. Now I heard this is what's called stimming, and not only that, this is a good form of stimming. A bad form would be, slamming your head against the wall. Yeah, don't do that. But moving on for the next one, and this one sounds fancy, it's called enhanced bilateral coordination. So you know how when you're brushing your teeth, it's generally a very easy and mindless task? However, the moment you switch to your non-dominant hand, it suddenly becomes impossible. Well, playing with something like Begleri in your non-dominant hand can really help with this. Now, if you're new to playing with these, I'd develop a level of proficiency with your dominant hand before switching to the off hand. But it can definitely improve your dexterity in both hands. Now, if you've been paying attention, I did already give you 5 benefits, but I've got a bonus one for you. But before I get to that bonus, what do you think of these newer designs? But also with all of these options, you might be wondering which one is best for you. Well, if you're just starting, I'd say a monkey's fist begleri is most friendly on the knuckles, as the paracord provides some cushioning. But if you don't mind a bit of conditioning on your knuckles, the ones in this video just made would be fine. But if you're looking for the simplest and easiest begleri, a few hex nuts on a piece of paracord are the simplest and easiest to make. For me personally, I started with a very simple hex nut set, but adding some paracord wrapping as we did can add some padding on the knuckles. But I think the monkey's fist set just might be the best beginner set, as it is not only easier on your knuckles and the back of your hand, but the paracord wrapped cores will also be less harsh sounding when you drop them on the floor, which is something that's definitely going to happen a lot if you're just starting, and if you live in an apartment building with wood flooring, that might be better for your neighbors below you as well. One last tip before I get to my bonus point to consider, but if you're making a monkey's fist begleri, steel ball bearings are a bit heavier than marbles, which means that the set will be easier to play with, as heavier ends give you better control of the begleri set and are a lot more forgiving. But all that being said, these sets are quite simple to make, so you can always try them all and see which you prefer and like the most. And if you really get into begleri, you'll actually start appreciating the different styles and weights of various sets, as they all have their own unique playstyle and personality. So don't be afraid to experiment with all the different methods. And so now the bonus benefit, and quite possibly one of the best ones. It's that begleri can actually help you quit a bad habit, even something like smoking. Now, I know it sounds like a bit of a tall order, but there have been many cases of people being able to do something like this with begleri. And what I think it comes down to is a very simple concept. If you got a bad habit, it's hard to just quit that habit cold turkey because you kind of need to replace it with something else. For example, if I said to you, don't think about an elephant, well, you're probably thinking about an elephant. But if I told you, think about a cat, well, you're now thinking about a cat. So if you're trying to break a bad habit and you stop doing that thing, you need to replace the negative space of that habit with something else, like begleri. And in the case of smoking, it can really help because it keeps your hands busy. And if they're busy playing with begleri, they won't be free to grab a smoke. If you want to learn more about begleri and how to play with them, check these videos out.